Hello everyone to another session of C4S classes where we'll be discussing MCQs related to finance, which may be important for UIIC AO exam. Okay. So first question on the screen is, which Indian company recently completed an IPO with a primary focus on healthcare? Okay. So these are the options given. The right answer for this option is B. That is Niva Bupa. So this was in news. Okay. So this IPO is in news and this is today's news only. Okay. And the amount is 1400 crores. Here they'll be having a fresh share sale of 800 crores and offer for sale of 1400 crores. Okay. By its promoter entities. So fresh share sale means they are issuing fresh shares and offer for sale means their promoters will be selling their shares. Okay. So next question is, according to S&P Global's recent projections, what position is India expected to hold globally by 2030 based on GDP size? So as per this report, India is projected to hold third position, okay, by 2030. So this was the report taken from the website itself. The report's name is India's growing role in the global economy, where they are saying that it will be third largest globally by fiscal 2030-31. Okay. So next question is, in quarter one of financial year 24-25, which Indian state attracted the highest amount of FDI, securing 52.46 of the country's total FDI? Okay. So these are the states as options given. And the right answer for this is Maharashtra. So Maharashtra is the state which attracted almost or over 50% of country's country's FDI. Okay. So here quantitative figures are also given that Maharashtra received FDI worth 70,795 crore in first quarter. Okay. Securing its position as India's leading state for foreign investment. Okay. Now next question is, so before moving to next question, here it's just a reminder that we have launched AO series for UIIC AO exam. So here in this, we will be provided full length tests and you'll be certain finance related lectures like this one will be happening throughout the course till the exam is over. Okay. So you will be having English descriptive sessions also, and rest features are also written here. So you can visit our website and Telegram for the detailed schedule given. Okay. Now, next question is, a Russian court has fined Google approximately 2.5 decillion in fines due to its refusal to restore the accounts of several pro-Kremlin and state-run media outlets. Okay. So how many zeros are there in a decillion? Okay. So the right answer for this question is 36. So this is a recent news. So it is a very outrageous amount, that is 2.5 decillion dollars, and this figure constitutes 36 zeros. Okay, and it is a new record for penalties imposed. Now, last question is, which of the following is a characteristic of shadow lending? So first one is, it is regulated by government financial authorities. It involves banks providing loans through a network of intermediaries. It includes non-bank financial institutions that provide loans without traditional banking regulations. Fourth is, it is only conducted by large commercial banks. Fifth is, it operates exclusively through government channels. So the answer for this one is C. So what is shadow lending? Actually, there is an article in news that India's shadow lenders retreat as bad loans increase amid crackdown. So what is shadow lending? So it is a provision of credit by NBFIs, that is non-bank financial institutions, that are not subject to the same regulatory oversight. Okay. So actually loans credit is a instrument of banks basically. So banks are regulated by RBI. But when non-bank financial institutions also involve themselves in credit activity, then they might be considered under the lens of shadow lending. Okay. So these lenders may operate outside the formal banking system and offer loans through alternate channels, often contributing to increased risk in the financial system. Okay. So examples are private equity firms, hedge funds, money market funds, or even NBFCs. When they deal with certain loan instruments, then it is called shadow lending. So the main concern is that there is a lack of oversight from the regulator's side. So it can lead to higher risk of default, financial instability, and unregulated credit. Okay. So that's all for today's session. Thank you and have a nice day.